Hello friend, hello students. So today we are going to explain wide universal and identity relation. Okay. So first is wide relation. Wide relation. What is the wide relation? Let A be any set. In this case, phi subset A cross A. This relation is known as the empty relation or wide relation. If A be any set, then phi subset A cross A is known as wide or empty relation. अब इस फैक्ट को थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करते हैं. So take an example for that. Let A is a set of these elements 1, 2, 3. Then A cross A will be, firstly 1 will be cross 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. ठीक है. Now 2 will be cross product. So 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. And now third 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. ठीक है. This is the A cross A. Now take any relation AB such that A minus B equals to 12. This is a relation. ठीक है. Now observe that this relation is verified on the cross product A cross A. If you will apply this relation here, A is what? That is the first term, and B is what? That is the second term or component. So 1 minus 1 according to A minus B, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1 and 3 minus 3 0. In any case, A minus B is not equals to 12. Okay. So this relation is not verified. Hence AB will not belongs to relation R. ठीक है. And hence R does not contain any element of A cross A. That's why R is an empty set. And since R is an empty set, then this relation shows the empty relation or wide relation. Okay. So this is the wide relation. Now the universal relation. Second is the universal relation. Universal relation is what? Let A be any set. Then in this case, A cross A subset A cross A. This relation is shown as a universal relation. Now to explain this relation, we can take another example. Let A any set 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. So A cross A is what? You have already seen here. This is the A cross A. For that A cross A, take an relation R equals to AB. AB belongs to R such that mod A minus B is greater than and equals to 0. हमने मॉड का यूज़ कर लिया है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मॉड हमें एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू देता है. वैल्यू चाहे प्लस में हो या माइनस में हो, वो आपकी पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ही देता है, ठीक है। एंड यू नो वेरी वेल पॉजिटिव वैल्यू हमेशा 0 से ग्रेटर होती है। तो यहाँ पे दो कंडीशन पॉसिबल हो सकती हैं कि a माइनस बी जो वैल्यू है वो या तो 0 से ग्रेटर देन होगी या फिर 0 से इक्वल होगी, ठीक है। इफ दिस रिलेशन इज वेरीफाइड देन वी कैन से दैट रिलेशन इज अ यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन. So R is the relation of AB belongs to R such that A minus B modulus greater than equals to 0. Now verify this relation in A cross A product. So according to this 1 minus 1 0 is equals to 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1 क्योंकि हम एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ले रहे हैं that is 1 that is greater than 0. 1 minus 2 sorry 1 minus 3 minus 2 this will give 2 according to this relation and 2 is greater than 0. Then 2 minus 1 1 greater than 0. 2 minus 2 0 equals to 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1 that is 1 greater than 0. 3 minus 1 2 2 is greater than 0. 3 minus 2 1 that is greater than 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So this relation is verified. In this case each element of the cross product will be the part of the relation R. Okay, then you can say R equals to A cross A. The complete A cross A will be the relation, and that's why this relation A cross A subset to A cross A is verified. ठीक है, I hope you can understand now. ठीक है, so that's why R is what? That is universal set because all the element of A cross A is a part of the relation, or you can say all the element of A cross A is an element of relation R also. Both are equal. That's why it is a universal set. Okay, now the third is identity set. So third identity relation. ठीक है, for this if A is any set then हम identity relation को I A से शो करते हैं. I means identity, A हमारा वो सेट नेम है जो हमने लिया है. A की जगह पे आप B C D whatever आप जो कुछ भी चाहे ले सकते हैं और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे A B C की जगह पे आपका चेंज होता रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू सेट. ओके, सो I A इक्वल्स टू A A such that A belongs to A. मीन्स आइडेंटिटी रिलेशन क्या डिफाइन करता है कि इफ एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ A is related to itself only, A is related to A not B. ठीक है, if every element of A is related to itself only then we can say this is a identity relation. Now for an example, let A is any set 1 2 3. ठीक है, then the cross product will be same which we have done earlier. You can see here. ठीक है, so in these element or in these ordered pair, the ordered pair which is related to itself only that will be part of the identity relation. ठीक है, so जैसे 1 1 हो गया, 1 1 2 2 3 3. This is known as the identity relation. You can see 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. So this shows the identity relation. Now if some cases, if you have suppose a relation shows 1 1 to this, then this is not an identity relation. Why? Because 3 is also here. 3 is not related here. This is incomplete. So this is not identity relation. And if in some case you have, हम R2 ले लेते हैं इसे, 1 1 2 2 3 3 and suppose 1 3. We can take here. You can see 1 2 3 are related to itself, but 1 is related to 3. ठीक है, this is a different order pair which is included here. So in that condition, when you will get the more order pair which is not related to itself, in that condition this is not a identity relation. So in these two cases, identity relation will not be adjust. Only in this case, you can say this is the identity relation. Okay. So this is the void relation, universal relation and identity relation. I hope you can understand it properly. Please subscribe my video and share it to your friends, to your colleagues, so that they can take benefit of this knowledge. ठीक है, and if you want to enhance or if you want some more queries, you can comment me. ठीक है, so please subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.